Hello dear patients and our followers. Today we are going to share with you the information about how to do the scab removal after the hair transplantation surgery. Around 10 to 14 days after the surgery, it depends from patient to patient, you will have build-up of the scabs over the transplanted area, and there can be some scabbing on the donor area. In order to promote the healing and so the growth goes well, you need to remove these scabs after this period. The healing is completed, the grafts are perfectly lodged, and it's very safe for you to do this procedure. As you remember from our wash video, when we were doing the wash on the transplanted area, we used to do a gentle tapping or touching over the transplanted areas after lotion application. You should apply a hair care lotion over the transplanted area, but differently from the wash video, you won't do the tapping anymore. You need to do a gentle circular movements across the transplanted area. It will help to smoothen and make the scabs softer and help to remove them as well. So gentle move and circular motion over the transplanted area only. So no more tapping. You can do the same thing for the donor area. Apply some lotion and rub the back of the head. You may have some burning sensation at the back of the head, or there can be some stinging pain. That's perfectly normal, especially for the donor area. Even though it hurts or even though it burns, okay, please do it. It will help to relieve the pain faster and help with the healing of the donor area as well. After applying the lotion and doing the circular motions, what are you going to do? Grab the water. It should be warm water with the medium to low pressure. Pour it over the transplanted area, and we're doing so now, just like you used to do before the hair transplantation surgery. You can gently rub and move your head over the transplanted areas, and you can do the same in the donor area. After you rinsed off the lotion from the transplanted and the donor areas, please use your shampoo. Pour the shampoo over the transplanted area and grab some shampoo over your hand. This is for the donor area. After that, grab it for the donor area, a circular motions, and the same now, different from the wash, you apply for the transplanted area. After applying the shampoo, you don't have to wait for too long. You can immediately rinse it off, and when doing so, do a gentle circular motions again. And when doing so, please don't use your fingertips. Don't scratch it off. You should rub it. That's very, very important, and there is a major difference from this aspect. After the scab removal, because these areas are very well lodged already and you removed all the scabs, you can do the drying of these areas with a towel just the regular way. You don't need to be afraid and behave differently now. So this was a brief information about on how to do the scab removal after hair transplantation surgery. So as a summary, number one, do it after 10 to 14 days after the hair transplantation surgery, when the scabs are fully formed and the healing is completed. That's number one. Number two, when doing the scab removal on the transplanted area, do the gentle rubbing and circular motions. Don't scratch it off with the fingers or fingertips. When you see some hair inside the scabs, please don't panic. That's perfectly normal, and it's one part of the scab removal. So this was the information about this procedure. If you feel any questions, feel free to contact us. We will be more than glad to answer them. Stay tuned and good luck.